So the festive season is around the corner, and I'm sure you'll need a cake that has a long shelf life with an unforgettable taste that you can add to your hampers or any occasion. And that's why आज मैं आपके लिए मिनी टी केक्स की रेसिपी लाई हूँ जिसका टेक्सचर बहुत ही फ्लफी एंड माउथ मेल्टिंग है. Hey guys, I am Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers to become a professional pastry chef. So in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make blueberry tea cakes that is made with brown butter. And सबसे पहले we'll make the brown butter. And उसके लिए we'll take some butter and cook it until it turns brown in color. So while making brown butter, make sure that you are fully focused. As it can go from brown to burnt pretty soon. So our brown butter is ready and I can smell the beautiful nutty fragrance all over the room. We will transfer it to a bowl immediately and let it cool down. Meanwhile, we'll make meringue by whipping egg whites until foamy. Then add sugar in parts and whip until it has soft peaks. So as you guys can see that the meringue is done. Now in this we'll sift in the dry ingredients starting from all-purpose flour, followed by almond flour, baking powder and salt. In this we'll add in lemon zest as well. And mix using cut and fold method. So while mixing, make sure that you do not mix vigorously or the airiness in the meringue will collapse. Lastly, we'll add in cool brown butter and vanilla essence. Then give it a final mix. So our batter is ready. We'll transfer it to a piping bag. Now we'll grease this muffin tray with some butter and pipe 40 grams of the batter into them equally. अब हम इनके ऊपर ब्लूबेरीज प्लेस करेंगे. So our tea cakes are ready to go to the oven. We'll bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. So our tea cakes are out of the oven and has completely cooled down. Now let's demold them. Once they have cooled down, we'll dust them with some icing sugar. Now let's take a look inside the cake. And here you go guys, our blueberry tea cakes are ready to be packed. I really hope आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी पसंद आई. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon to get notified. Till then keep baking.